This is the plus sign I did. On the top, I'm going to draw a circle. So for this line, this is the middle point, little bit up. I will draw one tilted line and I will pull this one little bit out. For this line, this is the middle point. From here, I'm going to draw one tilted line parallel to this one. And next to this line, I'm going to draw kind of like upside down alphabet V. And from here, I'm going to connect this one. And from here, kind of a straight little bit, and then I will connect here. Now I'm going to curve all of them slightly. From here, I'm going to draw one rectangle shape, and I will pull this one down. And then I can pull this one down too. On the top of this one, I'm going to pull this bump over here. Now I'm going to do double lines. Now I'm going to draw two lines like this. Here I'm going to draw one kind of like a check mark, mirror image, and one over here, and then I will erase inside lines. On the line under this one, I'm going to do number 3, 1, and then other one 2. So from here and here I will pull two lines, and then I'm going to curve them little bit at the corner, and I will leave it like this. Before you start any dark drawing, try to draw light like I did already over here. So you can see, so here I did kind of like a drop shape, but this side is little bit small and this side is big. From here I can do curvy sad face. Again I'm going to draw alphabet U shape like over here, and then I can do the sad face, and I can bring it in, turn it kind of like alphabet S, and then I can go again this direction. From here I can do sad face again. Now as you can see, I did little bit drawing over here, so try to draw light first. So I can draw two tilted line in this direction, and from here I'm going to pull these ones and curve on the bottom, just like a glass. Curve over here, curve over here. From here I can do one big alphabet D, and I will erase. If you want, you can draw some ice cubes over here. Now I'm going to color this part black.